first mission is going to be getting this door open. They used this door at one point to block it off from getting open again, so I have to unscrew that from the wall. But I want to get this open so I can get some air flowing through here because it stinks. Take this door off and that's how we'll get some more air in here, I guess. The top of here was just a screw. It wasn't even actually built into here. Looks like there was a different door here at one time. Now I'm gonna start dragging things out. I don't know where to put them all. May have been like a gas line or something. We took a little break and got right back to work. There was some pressing matters to attend to outside. There was a huge hole and the roofing is falling apart. So in these next few clips, we attack these problems and try to get them all fixed up, partially.
For this project, we're trying to save as much money as possible, so instead of buying something new, we're trying to find things we have around the house and make it work for what we need. So we obviously needed to patch that hole and get the shed some new siding, and we had this fence panel laying around, and I liked the kind of weathered look on it. It's kind of green, and I think it'll look really cute on the shed.
I just wanted to preface this and say that this is all temporary fixes when it comes to the roof. The boards that were originally up here were completely rotten, and getting some treated wood up there really will help out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that was the best.
Professional. Nothing professional, just trying to stop some weeds. That looks pretty even.
Was it? Nice. Wow, look at her go.
Ooh.